Hi, I'm gonna show you my residential controller with the JavaScript software. So we're gonna start with a scenario. So with the scenario, it's gonna add the parameters. So one as the ID, 10 as the amount of floor, 2 as the amount of elevators, and if they are online or not. So with the first elevator at the 10th floor and the second one at the 3rd floor. So then we're gonna start and run and debug everything so to see if everything's working. So yep. So we're gonna start with that user who's gonna be at the 5th floor and I wanna go to the 3rd floor and up with the direction up. Excuse me, who's at the 3rd floor is gonna go up at the 5th floor. So with that, we're gonna go to the request elevator and we're gonna find the best elevator for those information that we have, that the floor and the direction. So we're gonna compare everything with the basis of that method. It's gonna be the best elevator at null, the best score at 5, and the reference gap at any higher number to be sure that we don't exceed it. So we're gonna start. So those are the values that we're gonna compare everything to. So as you can see, the requested elevator, the first one. So we want to going up. So yeah, the first one is right there. So that's the first elevator at the 10th floor, current floor 10. So we're gonna compare to see if with the information that we have. So the 10th floor is at idle. So we're gonna be sure that he's gonna find this one. This one is at idle because the rest are in the moving position or the stop position. But so there you go. So yeah, he choose this one, and then we're gonna compare to. It's gonna assign with that method. It's gonna assign the score to check new elevator and best information elevator. So to be sure that we have the best score with the best elevator and the reference gap. So to be sure that is the nearest one. So that'll be it for this one. And then we go back to the second elevator. It's gonna be there. We're at the 3rd floor. It's not moving, so it should go to the same place at idle because it's not moving. There you go. And then it's gonna assign a best score, best elevator, and reference gap. So with that, you're gonna see that you give it a reference graph of 0. So to be sure, it's gonna choose this elevator for sure. So the second one. So the rest of the program, just gonna add it to the list with the request button list. Those lists gonna be from the start. Those lists have been created with a loop through the current floor. So which with the number of floor, they created the list of button, and with the 2 options up and down. So it's gonna be 20 button in total. So we're gonna go to the requested list, gonna operate the doors, and it's gonna return the elevator. So that'll be it for me. Thanks.